The simple answer is this. We began to take a look at how management looks at operations and implemented an information system that mirrored how they looked at operations, as opposed to implementing one that was, say, easier to design and execute. The specific characteristics we noted were this. Management wants to be able to fly along at 30,000 feet, like looking out the window of a jet airliner and be able to see a broad expanse of the horizon. And within that broad expanse, we want to see what fires are down there. And metaphorically, the fires representing problems that leadership needs to deal with. And we need to provide them with a tool to figure out which of those fires they should be paying attention to. So we provide them with a broad scope of information. And within that, we need to provide strategic tools so that they can prioritize how they spend their time. Once they've identified which of those fires they should focus in on, they need to drop from 20,000 or 30,000 feet down to 20,000 feet. We need to provide them with a narrower scope of information and some operational tools so that they can gain an understanding of what happened. Once they understand what's causing that fire, they need to go from 20,000 feet down to 10,000 feet. Again, a slightly narrower scope of information, and this time with some diagnostic tools so that they can become directional in their behavior. Finally, we have to take them to ground level with some analytic tools so that their behavior can become more prescriptive. This is what we call drilling into the issue, and leadership team needs to drill into the issue, help resolve it, then go back up the 30,000 foot, that strategic view with prioritization tools, to find the next issue they should contend with. So now what we need to do is understand what information systems help support this management system or thinking process within the leadership team.